Copper has been replaced by luster bronze.
Copper is big for industrial. It will stay classic for industrial, but it'll always be in and out.
Copper's a hard material to nail, but it works really well if it's got that natural patina to it.
Coloured bathroom sinks are in now. I remember when I first started design that I used to have a dove grey and apricot, so they'll always come back.
Coloured bathroom sinks, not a fan.
Coloured bathroom sinks are hot!
Subway tyres will always be in. They're a classic. They were made big in the 1920s through the Metropolitan Subway in New York.
Classic, but not necessarily on trend.
Subway tiles are okay. They're very timeless, but just not too many.
Hexagon tiles. Yeah, we can do better than hexagon tiles.
Hexagon tiles, not the biggest fan.
Unless it's a tessellated floor in a French Parisian cafe.
Yeah, rose gold trims, nah.
Rose gold trims, not for me.